How to fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. To get started, check if your TikTok is the latest version. Go to App Store, search TikTok, and see if it is updated. If not, update your application. You need to have the latest version to use all of the features that TikTok has to offer. In this way, bugs and glitches will also be avoided. After you update your TikTok, go ahead and open it. We need to check if the CapCut templates are showing on our app. Go to the search tab and type in CapCut. And as you can see, a lot of CapCut templates are showing on my screen. I'll click on one and select Use Template on CapCut. The template is working, and from here I can edit videos I want to produce. So that is how you fix CapCut template if it's not showing in your TikTok. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.